Top 5 favorites right now. Here we go. The first one I'm going to start with Hum Nutrition. Hum Nutrition is a vitamin brand. So a lot of people are like, what do I take for vitamins? I don't know. You can go onto Hum's website and you can fill out a quiz, and then you'll get a nutritionist that tells you, hey, you're depleted of this, this, and this, and you should take this, this, and this, and we're going to send you this, this, and this. And you're like, great, done. I swear by vitamins. Hum, great job. Okay, Aquis, everybody knows about it. I talk about it a lot. Aquis and Sephora have teamed up and they have this like cool one now. The one I have is great, but it's not as cute as this. It's a striped one. I'm in love with this one. I'm in love with all of them. And what it is just a towel wrap. You put it on after you get out of the shower. I sleep in them sometimes so I don't have to dry my hair, or it just takes the moisture out really quick in a very soft way so it doesn't damage your hair. Aquis, you're crushing it. Favorite thing? Bioderma, you have makeup removers. This is the oil makeup remover. We have the water-based makeup remover. We have the cleaning water. I mean, I just love all of this. It's amazing stuff. You gotta get into it, people. Get into Bioderma. Wander Beauty, I'm obsessed with the baggage claim masks. I mean, they're amazing. They come in this little sphere. They're really juicy. And then, whoop, drip, drip. They're great, and they look great, and they feel great, and everything about them is great. You know I love concealer. Shape Tape by Tarte. I'm feeling you this month. If you're looking for something right now, I say try this. It's amazing. I love it. I'm obsessed. Favorite things. That's it. My favorite things. All done. All wrapped up in a little present with a bow on top for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below. Tell me what your favorite things are. Should I try them out? Tell me things you want to try. I can still try them out. And then tell me your deepest, darkest secrets. Just kidding. Have a great day.